The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Athens County. This includes Gloucester, southwestern Morgan County, southeastern Perry County. This includes Shawnee until 5 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Shawnee, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Burr Oak State Park, Tremble, Renville, New Straitsville, Hemlock, and Corning. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Very heavy rain will also fall from the severe thunderstorm and will cause water to bond on roads and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSAutoX.
Flash flood washroom maids.